What if you could add an extra $300, $500, or even $1,000 to your monthly income, starting this weekend, without spending a single dime? That's not a pipe dream. It's a very real possibility for millions of Americans right now. We're not talking about get-rich-quick schemes or risky investments. Instead, we'll explore 5 legitimate online side hustles that require zero startup capital and leverage skills you probably already have. Forget the common myth that you need money to make money. That's simply not true in the digital age. This video will break down exactly how to get started, step by step, even if your bank account currently shows more zeros than numbers. Stick around, because the last side hustle is often overlooked, but offers incredible flexibility and earning potential. Our first $0 side hustle is engaging in online surveys and microtasks. Platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Amazon Mechanical Turk pay you for your opinions or for completing small, repetitive digital tasks. While the pay per task might seem low, typically 50 cents to $3 per survey, consistency is key. Many users dedicate 1 to 2 hours daily during downtime, like commuting or watching TV, and realistically pull in an extra $50 to $200 per month. A common mistake here is signing up for only one platform. Diversify. Join 3 to 5 different sites to maximize the available tasks. Here's a quick tip. Focus on platforms that offer a higher payout for longer surveys, as your hourly rate will be better. But beware, not all survey sites are created equal, and I'll show you how to identify the legitimate ones later. Next up is becoming a virtual assistant, or VA. Businesses, entrepreneurs, and even busy individuals frequently need help with administrative tasks, email management, social media scheduling, or data entry. You can start with absolutely no financial investment beyond your existing computer and internet connection. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and even LinkedIn are fantastic places to find your first clients. A new VA can charge anywhere from $15 to $30 per hour. If you dedicate just 10 hours a week, that's $150 to $300 weekly, translating to $600 to $1,200 monthly. The mistake many make is waiting for perfection. Just start. Offer basic services you're already proficient in. The key is to build a strong portfolio and positive reviews, which we'll discuss in detail in the next section. Freelance writing is an evergreen opportunity that requires nothing but your words. If you can write clear, concise English, businesses, blogs, and marketing agencies are constantly seeking content. This could be anything from blog posts and articles to website copy or product descriptions. Again, Upwork and Fiverr are excellent starting points, but don't overlook content mills like TextBroker or iWriter for initial experience, even if the pay is lower. A beginner writer might start at 5 cents per word, meaning a 1,000-word article could net you $50. If you write 1 article a day, that's $1,500 a month. The common pitfall? Fear of rejection. You must pitch yourself and demonstrate your ability. I'll share how to craft a compelling writing sample that gets you hired, even if you have no prior paid experience. For those who spend time on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, consider monetizing that expertise as a social media manager. Small businesses, local shops, and even personal brands often struggle to maintain an active online presence. They need someone to create posts, engage with followers, and schedule content. You don't need a fancy degree. Practical experience and a good eye for engaging content are your best assets. You can start by managing a friend's or a local business's social media for free to build your portfolio. Once you have a few case studies, you can charge $200 to $500 per client per month for basic management. Handling just 2 to 3 clients could easily add $400 to $1,500 to your income. But how do you find these clients without any prior connections? I'll reveal a simple strategy for that. Our 5th side hustle, online tutoring, leverages your existing knowledge. Do you excel in math, English, science, or even a foreign language? Platforms like Chegg Tutors, TutorMe, or Scully connect you with students needing help. The beauty is you don't need formal teaching credentials. Your subject matter expertise is what counts. You set your own hours and work remotely. Tutors can earn $15 to $50 per hour, depending on the subject and your experience. Imagine just 10 hours a week at $25 an hour. That's $250 weekly or $1,000 extra per month. A critical mistake here is underestimating your value. Many people think their knowledge isn't special enough, but there's a demand for nearly every subject. I'll walk you through how to set up your profile to attract students quickly. No matter which side hustle you choose, building a strong online profile is paramount. Think of it as your digital resume and storefront. On platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, this means a professional photo, a compelling bio highlighting your skills and experience, even if unpaid, and clear, concise service descriptions. For tutoring, focus on your subject expertise and teaching style. For writing or social media, create a simple portfolio on a free site like Google Sites or even a public Google Drive folder. The biggest mistake is having an incomplete or generic profile. Spend an hour crafting something that stands out. Potential clients are looking for reliability and expertise. Next, we'll talk about how to price your services effectively without selling yourself short. Determining your pricing can feel tricky, especially when starting with zero experience. For microtasks and surveys, the pay is usually fixed, so your strategy is maximizing volume. For VAs, writers, social media managers, and tutors, start with a competitive hourly rate, perhaps $15 to $25, and aim to increase it as you gain experience and testimonials. Don't fall into the trap of severely undercutting your value. While it might attract a few initial clients, it can lead to burnout and attract less serious opportunities. A good rule of thumb: research what others with similar skills are charging on these platforms. As you gain positive reviews and a track record, you can confidently raise your rates. But how do you handle initial client interactions to ensure repeat business and referrals? Finding your first client with zero experience can feel like a chicken and egg problem. For virtual assistants, writers, and social media managers, start by leveraging your existing network. Offer a small, free task to a friend who owns a business or a local nonprofit in exchange for a testimonial. This builds your portfolio and social proof. Next, actively search job boards on Upwork, Fiverr, and even Facebook groups dedicated to small business owners. Don't just apply. Personalize your pitches. Highlight how you can solve their specific problem. For tutors, ensure your profile is detailed and highlights your strengths. The common mistake? Applying to 50 jobs with the same generic message. Tailor each application. We'll explore how to manage your time effectively to juggle your new side hustle. Successfully integrating a side hustle into your life requires disciplined time management. Since these are $0 ventures, you're investing your time. Start by dedicating a specific block of time each day or weekend. Even 1 to 2 hours consistently can yield significant results. Use tools like Google Calendar or simple to-do lists to keep track of tasks and deadlines. Avoid multitasking. Focus on one task at a time to increase efficiency. A major pitfall is overcommitting. Start small, perhaps 5 to 10 hours a week, and gradually increase as you get comfortable and secure more work. This prevents burnout and ensures you deliver quality work, which is crucial for repeat clients and positive reviews. But what about the mental game of staying motivated? Motivation can wax and wane, especially when you're working for yourself with no direct boss. To stay consistent, set clear, small, achievable goals. Instead of make $1,000 this month, aim for complete 5 surveys today or pitch to 3 potential clients this week. Track your earnings. Seeing those numbers grow, even modestly, provide a powerful boost. Reward yourself for hitting milestones, even if it's just a coffee or an hour of your favorite show. A common mistake is comparing your journey to others. Everyone's path is different. Focus on your progress and celebrate your wins. Remember why you started, for that extra financial cushion to pay down debt or to save for a dream. This leads us to the bigger picture, scaling your $0 hustle. Once you've gained some traction and experience with these $0 side hustles, you might wonder how to scale. The key is to refine your skills, specialize, and gradually increase your rates. For VAs, consider offering specialized services like bookkeeping or social media advertising. Writers can focus on high-paying niches like technical writing or sales copy. Tutors might create their own short courses. As you build a client base and testimonials, you can transition from platforms to direct clients, allowing you to keep a larger percentage of your earnings. This organic growth, fueled by your effort and zero initial capital, can eventually turn into a significant income stream. The biggest mistake is not thinking long-term and treating it as just a temporary fix. There's real potential here. There you have it. 5 online side hustles you can start this weekend with absolutely $0. The biggest takeaway is that financial freedom doesn't always require an upfront investment. It often just needs your time, effort, and a willingness to take the first step. Pick one that resonates with your skills and interests and just begin. The journey of $1,000 starts with a single task. If you found this guide helpful and are ready to take control of your income, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more realistic side hustle strategies.